Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net. Alright, today we're going to be showing you how to change the bulb in the side marker lights here on this dually. This is a Ford. This should work from 99, I believe, on up to 2016. We're going to be doing it on a 2008 here. If there's any differences, let me know, but the process should be about the same. We need to pull the dually liner down a little bit so we can gain access to the back side, undo our clip, and then pop the light out, and then twist and remove the wiring from the light and go ahead and replace the bulb, put it back together. Alright, so the reason we're doing this one is this back bulb here is burned out. The owner decided to upgrade to an aftermarket look with the smoke lens and the LED light within it. So we're going to actually change the whole light out. But we'll show you how to change the bulb if you want to keep your OEM look and just replace the bulb and put it back together. Alright, so we're on the back side of the dually fender here. This is the light that's out here, the back and the red one. So what we need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and remove these two screws, get a flat screwdriver or a panel tool to go pop this push clip out, and then we should be able to get our hand back there and reach into the wiring and the light itself to get it removed. Alright, so you don't even need to take the bottom screw out. We can go ahead and just take that one screw out and that push clip, and that's enough for me to get my hand in there to go ahead and pop the light out. Alright, so we're just going to pull the liner out of the fender a little bit just so we can get our hand in there. So the clip is actually on the front side here by the tire, so we'll just push that towards the back of the truck and go ahead and twist so we can get the plug through this metal bracket here that pinches the inside of the light. You can go ahead and twist the light from the wiring and then go ahead and pop your bulb out and replace it. The bulb's going to be A. So once you got your new bulb, you can go ahead and put it in, twist your light back on, and go ahead and align the metal bracket with the back of the light and go ahead and push it and clip it back in. For us, we're going to actually go ahead and replace it. So we're going to go ahead and get our new light and go ahead and plug it in, get it connected, and then we can go ahead and push it back together. Alright, so I just wanted to give you a view of what it looks like inside the dually fender. So there's our metal bracket. There, right there, is the clip we need to squeeze and go ahead and push the light out and get it out from this clip so we can go ahead and remove it from the dually fender. Alright, so I pulled the clip out so you guys could see it. This is what's on the inside of the dually fender that holds the light in position. We had the bigger notch in the front and the smaller in the back. This is the same way it goes on the inside of the dually fender. So you're taking your light, you're putting your wiring through it. The smaller notch here goes in the back. You'll see it'll just kind of clip underneath that tab, and then all you're going to do is push in and you'll hear it click, and then the light is in that bracket. So when we went to go take it off, we just pushed the clip back, pushed the light back towards the back of the truck so we can get it out of that pin or hinge, and then we go ahead and pop the light apart. So on our new lights, we have red sticker right there that indicates this is the red LED that needs to go on the back of the dually fender. And then the other one has a yellow or amber colored sticker which goes on the front side of the dually fender. So we got our clip in the right orientation here. As you can see, we got the small clip towards the back, the big clip towards the front, and then it's going to be the same thing with our light. This big clip here that actually depresses and releases light will go to the front. The little one with the groove that needs to catch that back tab will go towards the back. So we'll hold our bracket in the right orientation here. We'll go ahead and slip our wiring through, and we'll turn the light the way we need to. Go ahead and hook it under the back clip and then clip it in. We'll go ahead and push our fender liner back in. We go ahead and push that clip in and the screw, and then we'll move to the amber or orange colored one in the front side of the dually fender. So something I want to mention before you put your screw and your clip back in, or maybe even before you clip the light inside the dually fender, is to check and make sure the light works. Some of these are polarity sensitive, meaning if it's wired in backwards, it's not going to work at all. So if that is the case and the light doesn't work, pull your electrical connection out, rotate it 180, put it back in, and then it should work. But for us, ours works, so we're going to go ahead and put our screw in and then our clip. So I think we just pop that top clip out and be able to reach our hand in there and get the light out. So we'll pull the liner down and get our hand in there. The clip on this one is on the back, so we're going to go ahead and push the light and the clip towards the front of the truck and go ahead and pop it out. Twist our light off, and if you need to, pop your bulb out, go ahead and replace it. Alright, so we got our new light. Like I said, the front one's going to be the yellow or amber sticker. We'll go ahead and put our wiring in. Alright, so I turned the key on just to check these lights to make sure they work. So as you can see, these are working. But if yours are plugged in and they don't work, what you're going to need to do is just pull your electrical connection out, rotate it 180 degrees, and put it back in. Now, like I said, if yours were polarity sensitive, yours would work one way or the other. These are not, so they work both directions. Alright, so we'll go ahead and push our wiring inside the light itself and then reconnect it to our electrical connector, giving it that twist so it locks that O-ring in there and makes it a watertight seal. We'll get our hand back there, align our bracket, and we should be able to clip the light into the fender. Which way? Right there. That through. Got to rotate the light the right way. The light clipped in. As you can see, it doesn't wiggle or move at all. It's nice and snug. These are a pretty good set of aftermarket lights. We're going to go ahead and put the clip back inside the dually fender liner and get that clipped in. So we're just going to go ahead and push this liner back inside the wheel well, and then we go ahead and put that clip back in, holding it in position. Alright, so here is your finished product. So we got the red in the back side of the dually fender here and the orange and amber colored up front. They are on. I'm sure you can see it a little bit. They are brighter in person rather than on camera, it looks like. But that's with them on, and then when they go off, they should just look like the dark smoked lens. And here's what they look like when they're off. So that's it. We just shown you how to change the bulb or the actual side marker lights on your Ford dually bedside. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button you placed in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you. And on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of the DIYguy.net.